Sometimes on WhatsApp, when you create events, you might want others to bring their guests along. You can turn on this yellow Allow Guests option in WhatsApp events. In this video, I'll show you how to do that. First, open the WhatsApp app, then select the contact you want to send the event to. For example, I'm selecting this contact here. Next, you'll see a pin-like button. Tap on it. Once you do, you'll see the event option. Tap on Event. Now, enter the event name, set the time, and you can also add a location if you want. Anyway, scroll down a bit, and you'll see Allow Guests. Just turn this on, that means others can bring guests with them. After that, hit the Send button, and your event will be sent. But what if you've already sent an event and want to edit it later? Simply tap on the event, then you'll see Edit Event. Tap on that, and here's the Allow Guests option again. Turn it on, then tap Send. That's it. This way you can easily enable the Allow Guests option in WhatsApp events. Hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, consider subscribing. See you in the next one.